Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already need a GA4 property and the measurement ID. Get that now and keep it handy. Once done, install a tiny React helper like React GA4 or plan to drop gtag, JS into public/index, HTML because you want correct initialization immediately. Next, decide how to track a single page app, set up a route change listener, or call page view manually when components mount. Do this now, skipping it later breaks session continuity and skews acquisition and behavior metrics. You should initialize analytics in your root file and run it once. For example, call initialize gxxxx inside index, JS or a use effect in app with an empty dependency array. Then, make sure to hook into your router. When location changes, send a page view including path and title so sessions and funnels remain accurate. Also, instrument key actions with event calls. Use consistent event names and parameters because clean naming makes reports readable and alerts reliable. Do that. You must validate implementation immediately. Open GA Real-Time and Debug View while you navigate the app and confirm page view and event hits show up. Once validated, finalize privacy settings, enable anonymize IP or consent mode if needed. If data is missing, check that your router listener runs after history updates and that initialization occurs before sending events. One quick troubleshooting tip: if page views are absent, add a small timeout after navigation to ensure the title and path have updated before sending the page view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.